Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod's Soup Collection. Every Monday from now until the Sky Garden begins in May, I will be posting a new soup recipe. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make it will be down in the description below. If you make this recipe, please let us know how it went. And here we go. This vegetable beef soup is a classic, hearty comfort food loaded with tender beef, colorful vegetables, and rich savory broth. Perfect for cozy dinners, meal prep, and freezer-friendly leftovers. In this video, I'll walk you through every step from browning the beef to building deep flavors with vegetables, herbs, and slow simmering. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Just the way homemade soup should be. Like, subscribe, and share for more homemade soups in the Cooking with Rod Soup Collection. Okay, we're gonna cut our chuck roast into 3/4 inch pieces. Then we're gonna pat the beef dry and season lightly with salt and pepper. Then we're gonna dice up our onion and mince our garlic. Slice our carrots and slice our celery. Then we're gonna peel our potatoes and chop our potatoes into cubes and cut up our beans. Now we're gonna heat the olive oil in a large heavy bottom soup pot over medium-high heat. When the oil starts to shimmer, it's ready. Add the beef in batches. Don't overcrowd the pot. The browning builds flavor. Sear the beef on all sides until deeply browned. Then remove the beef to a plate and set aside. We're going to lower the heat to medium and add the onions. And we're going to saute those for 4 to 5 minutes until softened. Then we're going to add in the garlic and cook that for 30 seconds until fragrant. Then we're going to add in the tomato paste and cook that for 1 minute to caramelize. Then we're going to add the beef cubes and any accumulated juices back to the pot. Add in your beef broth. Then add your diced tomatoes, thyme, paprika, bay leaf, salt, and pepper. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then reduce to low and simmer. Cover and cook for 45 minutes. Okay, we're gonna stir in our carrots, celery, green beans, and corn. And then add the potatoes. Then we're gonna stir that up. Then we're gonna stir in the beans. You could also add some peas at this point. Then simmer that uncovered for 25 to 30 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the beef is fork tender. Then we're going to remove the bay leaf, taste and adjust for seasonings. Then we're going to ladle that into bowls for service. You can garnish that with a little bit of fresh parsley. Now for storage, we're going to let that cool completely. Put that in some airtight containers. Store that in the fridge for up to 4 days. Or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Now you can reheat that over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. Or you can heat that up in the microwave, covered, heating in intervals, stirring in between. There you go, vegetable beef soup. Chuck roast is ideal because the collagen breaks down beautifully. Add barley or pasta for a heartier variation. Soup tastes even better the next day. For thicker soup, mash a few of the potatoes into the broth. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos here that you can click on to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.